Good morning, guys. Let's do a little bit of live diving today. I'm in my dad's van right now. I'm gonna hopefully pick up my car in about 5 hours, so I'll keep you guys updated. Oh, I wasn't expecting that to be empty, but that's the dollar store, so there's that. On to the next one. This is the bed and bath store. Oh, those things are cute. And there's some Coke. I don't know if it's worth it to go in though, but those are cute. Maybe I can reach them with my grabber. This is a pharmacy, and it was empty yesterday when I checked, but it is definitely not empty now, so let's see. It's not looking like anything good. I think there's a plant right there, but that's about it. Pulling up here at the next pharmacy. This is where I got that huge haul in my last video, and that was just 3 days ago. So we will see if they have anything else to offer. Hopefully Easter. Nope, nothing yet. We'll check back later. Alright, next stop this morning. They tend to destroy things, but we will see if there's anything for us today. I'm going to go to the other side. There might be another rocking chair. There was one in here the other day. I don't know. We'll have to see. And that looks like it's in there as well. Interesting. Next stop is another dollar store, which I'm pretty sure is still empty based on the bar across the top. But we'll see. Yeah, still empty. Pulling up to another pharmacy. I used to have great success here, but I haven't found anything here in a while. Oh, sorry, there was a suspicious car behind me. Alright, let's go check. Still nothing. Getting to the next dumpster. This parking lot back here is horrible, so I'm going slow, but definitely looks full. Hopefully some good stuff. We'll probably go to the other side. Yeah, it's a little too full. I ended up digging around a little bit more, and I found a black bag full of snacks again. You see that little sneak peek right there, so we'll have to go through that when I get home. Here at the grocery store. Broken chair. Nothing that I'm really interested in taking at the moment. I am going to go actually into the store though and do a little shopping. Alright, I just found these two things actually behind the dumpster, not in them, but I think there's something in the dumpster. Let's check. I found those back there. Yes, I actually have one of these already. Do you guys remember? Yep, I have this exact same one, so I'm going to take that as well. That's pretty but broken. I don't think that's broken, just the lid. Alright, I'm gonna dig around. Alright, we're gonna make this our last stop for right now. So, thank you guys for coming along with me. I will have the haul posted tomorrow morning, probably. But this is a different pharmacy that, at least in my area, has all compactors, all videos, like, everything. And they still do. Like, there's their cardboard thing, and then there's a little compactor in here. But I recently noticed they also got a dumpster. Yeah, there's the store. So let's go check it really quick. man, they're actually using it. I'm surprised. Nothing good today, but I think that's a good sign, possibly. Alright, well, thank you guys for coming along. I did get some good stuff, so I will show you that, as well as anything else I may find for the rest of the day tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching.